Okay, so today class is about encapsulation. So, what is the definition of encapsulation? We will see the process of wrapping of variables and methods as one unit by using a class and operating those variables only via methods either for reading or modifying values is called encapsulation. Basically, the meaning of the definition of encapsulation is wrapping of variables and methods as one unit by using a class and to assess that variables using getter and setter methods. So basically the concept is about if I will put some vitamins minerals in one capsule that you cannot see that capsule. Okay, so that vitamins minerals will be hidden. So that is what concept of encapsulation. So by developing encapsulation, we hide the data from direct access by the other objects and provide control access through publicly available getter and setter methods with proper validation. Proper validations means some conditions. Okay. Now, so basically, we will hide the data from direct access. Okay. How we will hide? We will use private. Okay. We will use private variables. So we will see one more example about encapsulation. So here, the example of perfect example of encapsulation is ATM card. Okay, so in what you do in ATM card. So so ATM card contains some important details, but you cannot see or change the bank balance directly. Directly, you cannot do that. Okay, you can with that ATM card you cannot see the bank balance. What you have to do, you have to go to the ATM and we will insert the card and you will enter the pin. If the pin is correct only, then only you can see balance. So if you want to see the balance, at the time we will use getter method, and if you want to change the pin, we will use set pin method, setter method. Okay, for changing pin we will use setter method. For uh, for getting balance we will use getter method, and we will use some other methods also like withdraw and withdraw, deposit, all this thing. So 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 this ATM, think that this ATM is a one class. Okay, one class blueprint. Okay, using that we can do set we can do we can now we will say one program. So I am creating one class that is ATM ATM test. Okay, this will be our main class. Okay, one more class I will create, that is bank account. Okay, here I will write two instance variable, private int pin and private double balance. Okay, then we will write a method for uh, setter method for pin. Hold the pin, comma, pin, pin. Replace into new pin. Okay, else we will write else your old pin is not some message we will pass. Changeable successfully. Okay. So we wrote one method for set pin. So that is what similar to setter method. If that old pin is if the old pin is equal to pin, then we will change the pin. So what we will do, we will put a new pin into our pin. Okay. Okay. So one more method we will write to get balance. Public double get balance into pin, into pin. Then again we will write one condition. If uh, if pin, if entered pin equal to pin, then we will return the return balance. Or else incorrect pin message will show. Okay. So this is the setter method and this is the getter method. Okay. Getter and setter completed. We will write method for deposit and withdraw. So here we will assign some pin like 1 2 3 4, balance also some 5,000. Okay. Then we will write public void withdraw into pin double amount pin equal to third pin. Then if amount is greater than 0 and amount balance is greater than 0, then only we will do withdraw. Then balance equal to balance minus amount. Okay. Or this much amount debited. Okay. Incorrect in. And for inner if also we will write one condition also. Insufficient balance. So this is the method and balance also greater than 0, then only it will go inside this and it will from balance it will be deducted. Okay. then you will get this much amount is debited and amount will be shown. If this condition is false, then you will get insufficient balance. Okay, simple. And this is the if condition, this is the else condition. If this condition is false, then this else block will be executed. If this condition is false, then this statement will be executed. Okay, for deposit also we will write the same. So in withdraw we did minus, here we will do plus. Okay, okay, okay. Again we will write balance equal to balance plus amount. Okay, correct, correct value. Okay, uh, and here also we will write one message. Credited. Okay, like this one message here also for so here also write message. Okay, so all the methods completed. First one is set pin, get balance, deposit, and withdraw completed. Now we will see how to create object. So for that we will, okay, we will take the class name of we will take class name, then we will create one reference variable, and we will use new, then we will call the constructor, default constructor. So this new keyword we'll use to, which helps us to create object, and it will create memory in a heap area. It will create memory for instance variable in heap area. So this is the reference variable. With reference variable we can call our methods. ATM set pin, what is the old pin is 1234 and the new pin is 555. Okay, what happened? Okay, okay, main method is not there. Okay, now we set it our pin, and we will do get pin also. I get a balance also for that. System println pass parameter like okay, then we will call our withdraw. Okay, withdraw here, so 2000. Okay, then again we will deposit also. So these are the operation which you do in while going to ATM. Three. Okay, that's all. It's a simple program. So first we are doing set pin, then we are getting then using getter method we are getting the balance, and using deposit we can deposit some balance, and we withdraw we can take some amount. So this is the using setter method we can modify the value. Using getter method we can return the value, we can get that value. Okay. Okay, this is the message we will get. So first, what happened, so I created one two instance variable. So these are the private variables. So this can be accessed in the this class only. So this can be accessed in the other class. So this data is hidden. Why we cannot access from another class? So this is what the concept of encapsulation. We can uh, we can access using setter method and getter method. Okay, and we are doing some methods for withdraw and deposits also.